Built for those who move with purpose, the Hawkeye Link Openear wireless sports earbuds redefine performance and comfort. Featuring a memory titanium dual-curve design, these earbuds resist deformation, maintaining a secure, accessory-compatible fit through intense workouts. IPX5 waterproofing shields them from sweat and rain, making them an all-weather companion. Wrapped in skin-friendly large-area liquid silicone, they deliver breathable comfort with a triangular pressure relief air cushion for enhanced stability. In every kitchen that takes flavor seriously, precision goes beyond ingredients. It's about maintaining temperature until the final bite. Eternos brings that principle to your table. Whether you're serving a 10-ounce seared ribeye or a chilled citrus salad, this hybrid creation, part bowl, part plate, part dish, was designed to respect the temperature boundaries your recipes demand. Crafted with inspiration from professional kitchens, Eternos does more than hold food. The Focus Sound directional speaker redefines personal audio experiences by combining cutting-edge sound technology with sleek, customizable design. This speaker's unique feature is its ability to project sound in specific directions, allowing users to enjoy immersive audio without disturbing those around them. The transparent build enhances its modern appeal, seamlessly blending into any environment while also offering a creative touch with the option to attach personal photos at the back. The EcoPower Test Fridge is a cutting-edge portable freezer, meticulously designed for Tesla Model Y, 3, and X. It offers an impressive 36-liter capacity, allowing ample space for storing frozen items during road trips or outdoor adventures. With its adjustable temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the Test Fridge provides flexibility for preserving various types of food, beverages, and other essentials, catering to all your travel needs. The Nicasa kitchen composter is designed to streamline the composting process with convenience and efficiency. Featuring a 12-liter capacity, it can handle up to 3.5 pounds of waste per day, allowing you to go over 10 days without the need for waste disposal. The result is more than 7.5 pounds of nutrient-rich organic fertilizer, which can support sustainable gardening or lawn care. What sets this composter apart is its ability to complete the composting process in just 48 hours. The Sunco Sunshine Fair Infrared Electric Heater is designed to offer efficient and quiet heating for various indoor spaces. Unlike conventional space heaters, it utilizes far infrared technology to heat the room directly by warming objects and people rather than the air, providing a more natural and comfortable warmth. This feature ensures energy efficiency, reducing energy consumption while maintaining a consistent and gentle heat throughout the room. Equipped with a thermostat, the heater allows precise temperature control, making it ideal for large rooms, bedrooms, garages, and offices. Low-Free Edge sets a new standard for mechanical keyboards with its ultra-low profile, combining elegance and performance. Featuring a 75% layout, it offers a compact design perfect for those seeking efficiency without compromising on functionality. This keyboard's low-profile switches enhance typing speed and comfort, making it ideal for professionals or anyone who values smooth, responsive keystrokes. Kamboo redefines how kombucha is brewed, offering a high-quality, cost-effective solution for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Designed with precision, this brewer brings authentic, tangy kombucha to your kitchen, eliminating the need for expensive store-bought versions. The Kamboo brewer features a stainless steel fermentation tank, a key component for maintaining optimal temperatures, allowing for the ideal fermentation environment. With the ability to brew up to 1 gallon at once, you can enjoy a steady supply of kombucha, whether for personal enjoyment or sharing with friends. The Devoom Backpack M is a unique fusion of style, functionality, and innovation, designed to cater to the needs of anime enthusiasts and motorcyclists alike. With its customizable LED screen, this backpack offers a perfect blend of practicality and creativity. allowing users to express themselves through personalized animations and messages. Whether for anime raves, bike rides, or simply making a statement, this feature adds a touch of individuality to the bag. Keeping tabs on your pet's health shouldn't be stressful, messy, or expensive. That's why the Sim 702 Pet Test Kit offers a smarter, cleaner way to monitor your companion's condition from home. No vet office required unless truly necessary. In just 60 seconds, a single drop of urine analyzed by a machine learning algorithm gives you precise results across 10 key health parameters, including pH, glucose, protein, ketones, and more. The color-coded app makes tracking abnormalities easy at a glance. Revolve Coin Storage offers a sleek and innovative way to manage your coin collection. With the ability to hold between 250 and 350 coins, it is designed to efficiently organize your change, keeping it neat and accessible. The magnetized floating lid eliminates the hassle of traditional coin storage. Simply flick the lid and it opens effortlessly, creating a smooth and enjoyable experience every time. This unique mechanism adds a touch of fun to functionality, ensuring you can access your coins with ease. Imagine fitting 512 gigabytes of secure high-speed storage into something smaller than your car key. The Tupan Nano SSD isn't just compact, it redefines portable data storage. Built for professionals and creators who demand performance without compromise, this device combines power, portability, and protection in one minimalist form. Engineered with blazing fast read-write speeds, this SSD transfers large files in seconds. Life rarely slows down, and managing your health shouldn't fall behind. Skipped medication isn't just a small oversight. It leads to worsened conditions, reduced treatment success, higher medical bills, and added stress. Defi transforms any standard pill bottle into a powerful AI-assisted system. With LED and sound reminders, smartphone alerts, and even in-app phone calls, you're covered whether you're at home or on the go. Open the bottle within a minute of the scheduled time, and Defi logs your dose automatically. SoulCube offers an innovative way to memorialize your pet, allowing you to preserve their memory through a personalized 3D hologram. This groundbreaking technology helps pet owners reconnect with their pets long after they've passed, offering comfort and healing. By transforming your photos and videos into a lifelike 3D avatar, SoulCube brings your pet's spirit back to life in a way that feels intimate and real. The interactive hologram created by SoulCube doesn't just stand still, it responds to your presence. The Glazer Mini offers a transformative experience in the world of ice games, creating an immersive and competitive environment like no other. This innovative device from Ori Future brings a fresh approach to ice gaming, making it accessible and exciting for players of all levels. The compact size of the Glazer Mini makes it highly portable, allowing for quick setup and hassle-free play, whether you're at home or on the go. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it enhances gameplay by introducing precise controls and dynamic features that challenge even the most experienced players. The Drive ID 9 is the perfect blend of technology and family care, offering an innovative solution for modern families on the move. This advanced system combines a high-performance dashcam with an integrated baby monitor, providing comprehensive monitoring both inside and outside the vehicle. With 4K UHD multi-channel recording, every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. Its intelligent parking mode ensures peace of mind when the car is unattended, while the wide-angle lenses offer a complete view of the surroundings. When deep muscle fatigue sets in after long hours on your feet or relentless workouts, you need more than a gentle touch. You need results. The Oyo Total Body Massage delivers exactly that. Designed with a 2-in-1 system, it merges lateral vibration and percussion therapy for powerful relief. Whether you're battling tension in your lower back, stiffness in your shoulders, or soreness in your legs, This massager gets to the root of the issue with precision. The innovative vibrating belt moves side to side, penetrating tight muscle fibers with rhythmic power. Cluttered desks and tangled cords are a thing of the past. The XCool The One Cable 8-in-1 Ultimate Cable brings clean efficiency to your everyday tech life. Designed for seamless charging and syncing, it replaces the need for multiple cables, delivering portability and practicality wherever you go. Built for universal compatibility, it powers everything from USB-C smartphones to Lightning devices with USB-A and USB-C chargers. Simplify your gear and enjoy stress-free charging across all your gadgets. The MindLax sleeping mat offers a groundbreaking approach to rest and relaxation, integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance your sleep quality and overall well-being. Its innovative sound wave massage system, grounded in Nobel Prize-winning research, delivers soothing vibrations that help reduce stress and promote deep, restorative sleep. Whether you're looking to unwind after a long day, improve your meditation practice, or simply take a quick nap, this mat provides a calming environment tailored to your needs. Firing up bold flavors starts with precision heat, and the Gazny Dome S1 delivers with unapologetic power. Its quick-start rolling gas flame surges to 700 degrees Fahrenheit in just minutes, transforming ordinary backyard meals into chef-level experiences. Once it hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it holds steady, letting you produce Neapolitan-style pizza after pizza without a drop in consistency or temperature. This oven doesn't just cook, it performs. Wherever you are, at home, on the road, or mid-travel, your health shouldn't wait. The Beimo 4-in-1 Multiscan delivers real-time health insights in the palm of your hand, helping you care for your family or yourself with accuracy and speed. Built with 4 advanced medical-grade sensors, this compact handheld tool monitors temperature, cardiovascular, and respiratory systems, and supports telehealth integration, giving you a complete health snapshot in under 60 seconds. Beimo goes beyond temperature checks. Record a full 1-lead ECG in just 30 seconds to detect arrhythmias like AFib, then share it instantly via HealthLink for a specialist review. Available within 24 hours. Transform your kitchen into a precision studio where flavor, nutrition, and creativity meet exact science. Measured brings cutting-edge weighing technology to your countertop, making it effortless to perfect everything from cocktails to croissants. This is not just a scale, it's a smarter way to create. Craft barista-quality coffee every morning with exact grind and pour ratios. Dive into mixology with confidence, knowing your margaritas and martinis will be flawless on the first shake. The Miku Pro contact-free breathing and sleep tracking monitor is a revolutionary solution for parents seeking to stay connected with their baby. This cutting-edge monitor offers real-time insights into your baby's breathing and sleep patterns, eliminating the need for invasive equipment. With the Miku Pro, you can monitor your baby's respiration rate right from your smartphone, without the need for wearables, wires, or special clothing. Clutter doesn't stand a chance when the Brother P-Touch PTD220 enters the scene. Built for those who value structure without sacrificing style, this compact label maker brings smart organization to any home, small office, or workspace. Whether you're sorting file folders, cables, pantry shelves, or storage bins, the PTD220 provides a sleek and practical solution. When conversations matter, precision tools make the difference. The OLEP Archer Meeting Headset is designed for professionals who need reliable clarity, seamless transcription, and effortless summary, all in real time. Backed by a patented 50 decibel environmental noise cancellation system, it isolates your voice in noisy environments, ensuring your words come through crisp and clear. Comfort isn't an afterthought, it's engineered into the design. The Chinkata electric food chopper combines efficiency with durability, making meal preparation quicker and easier. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this chopper is designed to handle tough tasks such as chopping onions, meat, garlic, and ham with ease. Featuring dual-speed settings, you can select the optimal power for each ingredient, ensuring consistent and smooth results. The 8-cup stainless steel and glass bowls provide ample space to process large portions, while the sharp, bi-level blades guarantee fast and efficient chopping. Vibrant lighting meets sharp clarity in a compact shell, ideal for streamers who want performance without compromise. The Fifine Gaming Video Capture Card V3 delivers fluid, real-time video capture at 1080p 60 FPS while simultaneously looping out at a stunning 4K 30 FPS through HDMI. Your broadcasts maintain razor-sharp clarity and zero-lag visuals, providing viewers with an exceptional experience on platforms like Twitch or YouTube. From online meetings to high-quality streaming, camera placement determines your professional presence. The Mag 2 offers a seamless solution, securely mounting your USB-C webcam anywhere along your monitor without damaging your screen. Built with a precision-engineered magnetic system, this mount balances strength and safety, anchoring to screens up to 0.75 inches thick without leaving marks or pressure dents. Unlike clunky mounts or adhesive solutions, the Mag 2 delivers a clean, floating look with total flexibility. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the foldable Origami mouse proves it. Built with precision and minimalism in mind, this portable powerhouse weighs in at under 1.41 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function mice in its category. It's designed to vanish into your travel kit or work bag with zero bulk, then snap into form with a satisfying fold for instant readiness. In a world craving balance between technology and nature, Moss Lab introduces a new marvel, the Moss Echo. Moss, an ancient plant dating back 450 million years, now partners with cutting-edge tech to create a cleaner, healthier environment inside your home or workspace. The Moss Echo is powered by light pole technology, where the LED illumination runs from the root to the tip of the moss, enhancing photosynthesis and giving the plant a vibrant, rich color while naturally improving indoor air quality. Cradled in mid-air, suspended by invisible forces, this smart moon lamp by Ginkgo redefines the art of illumination. Anchored by a solid American walnut base, its weightless glow mimics the quiet grandeur of the full moon, rotating gently as if tugged by celestial rhythms. A blend of design and innovation, the lamp uses precision magnets to hover with flawless balance. No strings, no tricks, just magnetic levitation at its finest. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path.